In this short lesson, I'll show you how to turn scattered notes into a single searchable system that actually works for you. No fluff, just the steps you can use right now. In this final video of our 5-part Notion beginner tutorial series, we will combine everything you learned about pages, blocks, and shortcuts to build a knowledge hub of your notes, a note-taking system. Let's build your brain. Start by creating the hub. Make a new primary page in the sidebar and name it My Knowledge Hub. This will be your home base. Next, add structure by creating subpages inside the hub. Click into the hub and type page, then press enter. Name that page Meeting Notes. Go back to the hub, type page again, and name the second one Research. Watch how they appear nested under the hub in your sidebar. That tree makes navigation simple. Let's say you are writing a note and you want to reference some other page or block, like the daily tasks list we built in video 3. Open Meeting Notes. Create note. Type the plus sign, followed immediately by the text, Daily Tasks. A menu appears. Select the page. You just created a dynamic link. If you click it, it takes you there. If you change the name of that page later, this link will update automatically. For cleaner pages, use toggles for messy lists. While in the Meeting Notes page, use the /toggle block for your meetings. Put the date and topic on the top line, and type all your messy notes inside the toggle. Collapse it when you are done. Now you can have many notes on one page, and it still looks clean. When something you wrote needs to become its own page, use the refactor shortcut. Let's go to the Research page. I copied one of my video scripts here. Let's say I want this paragraph to be separate page. Over the 6-dot handle to the left of a block, choose Turn Into and select Page. The text you wrote becomes a subpage instantly, with the content moved inside. This is faster than copying and pasting, and keeps history and links intact. Congratulations! You made it from a blank page to a searchable workspace. The best way to learn now is to start moving your notes in today. Make a hub, add a few subpages, and try the Turn Into shortcut when something needs its own space. If you find this video or video series helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment what problem do you want me to solve in the next video. Take care and bye.